How cool was that, eh? After watching this video, you'll be able to create something like that yourself. But how and why though? Well, last night I saw this video from the Dore brothers. They have been going viral with their video that shows the TV series The Office, but with now played by members and associates of the Oval Office. So you want to know how to create something like that yourself? Well, you are in luck, because hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create amazing AI adaptations of famous TV series and go viral. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. Okay, since I do not want to create the same kind of video with The Office, let's create an AI adaptation of Breaking Bad. You know that Walter White guy in his lab. To be honest, I never saw that series, I only know it from seeing memes, etc. But okay, there are several ways to turn Walter White or any other character from Breaking Bad into a different person. One way to do it is with face swap, so then you simply download the images of the Breaking Bad characters and from the persons you want to change them. Then you create a private Discord server. Next, you connect the face swap bot. And then you type this and drag the person you want to be swapped. And boom, there I got an error. Unfortunately, we cannot swap faces with famous persons here anymore. But this method is perfect for non-public figures face swaps. And by the way guys, the old face swap root collab link isn't working anymore, so don't bother there. But no worries. Simply search for face swap online, and there are plenty of free to use face swappers out there. That's really cool, but I want something different, something better. So let's go to MidJourney and write a prompt like Donald Trump as wealthier white from Breaking Bad. Oh my god, what a bummer. Because of the elections, they don't allow Donald, Biden and Harris image generations. Okay, let's try it with Putin. Okay, wow, this is amazing. And by the way guys, this is what results Leonardo AI gave me. Very bad. If you happen to know better free alternatives to Leonardo AI, let me know in the comments. Okay, now watch me generate the rest of the images with Obama and Kim Jong-un with MidJourney. Okay, now we are going to animate the images. In other words, we are going to bring them to life. We are going to use Hailuo AI. It is really amazing, but the waiting times can be very long. So in order to circumvent that, you simply need to log in with a new Google account, if you have one, and then the first 3 generations will be very quick. Click on that image icon and upload the AI image. Now, you can write a prompt, but that isn't necessary, and I will leave it blank as well. Now click on the generate button and let it generate. Okay, nice. Now let's generate the other videos. While those videos are being generated, I will go and take a shower, touch some grass and eat 2 eggs. But okay, the generations took like 15 minutes. And guys, normally the waiting line for one video generation is already 21 minutes. So yeah, that account hack trick is amazing. Let's watch our videos and download them. They look perfect, where I like the Putin video the best. Okay, before we are going to edit the video in CapCut, let's download this Breaking Bad logo. And next to it, let's also install the Breaking Bad font to give it even more realism. Okay, now it is time to open up CapCut and drag and drop the videos and the Breaking Bad logo in there. Let's enlarge all the videos in a way that the watermark will be gone, like this. Put the logo there and change the position. I am also going to put a slowed part of the video here. Now go to text and add a text block. Write something like this. Now choose the Breaking Bad font and stylize the text like this. Okay, perfect. Let's add an animation to the logo. Go to Effects and search for a blur effect and add it to the first frames. Now copy and paste the text and add the character description for each video like this. Let's also add a nice animation like this. Now it is time for transitions. Go to Transitions and drag one transition between two connecting clips. Just pick one from the trending section, for example. You can also make the duration of the transition longer, like this. Now go to the lens effects and try some effects. I am also going to add this body effect, because why not? Now it is time for the background music, and it is best to use the original Breaking Bad background music. But since I do not want to get copyright claimed, I will use this amazing cover from Orkan Eka that he made 12 years ago with a guitar and a glass of water. How cool is that? Download it as an MP3 and place it in the CapCut project. As a final touch, we are going to add some filters. Go to Filters and add, for example, the Enhance filter and the Center Light filter, and tweak the intensity if needed. And that's it. Simply export your video in 4K and go viral. Before I'm going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own AI adaptations of famous TV shows and go viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.